Hello guys. What's up guys? In today's video we will be playing Animal Company with my friend. Man, get back here. Animal Company with my friend. Uh,
Hello.
yeah, my friend from school. Wait, why am I going to the store? Oh wait, probably shouldn't show you this, but I am anyway. There's a hole in the wall somewhere. I know where it is, but I forgot where it is. Over here. Right here. Whoa, my! I almost lost you guys. I'm going in Joe Rogan's thing. Podcast. Wait, they can talk?
Oh, hello.
Talk again?
Hello.
Okay, never mind. I was making sure it's recording. I mean, it was recording your audio. Look, Jim and Curly!
So wait a minute. The one thing they haven't done was subscribe. just like you have to do in this video.
Well, if you want, you don't have to. I'm not forcing you to. Shout out to J-Man Curly and Just Toasty. Subscribe to J-Man. Okay, so Nathan, where do you want to go? I mean Nate. 1-0.
Just call me Soup.
Soup, where do you want to?
Alright.
Why is your name Soup?
It's an origin story.
Sorry, I haven't.
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
Alright, so today this is what we're gonna be doing. Guess what? What we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be going. We're gonna be going the scariest place on town.
Okay.
It's called Haunted Mansion.
There.
Or no?
No, Haunted Mansion doesn't work. Haunted Mansion doesn't work.
Oh,
Or did they fix it?
they fixed it. They did? I don't know. Okay, let's go somewhere else then.
I don't
We
want to
should
hold
go-
this camera the whole time.
I will. Oh, never mind.
You can't.
Alright, well. Let's see.
Wait, I didn't get a backpack.
Oh, I have a secret to tell them. I have a secret to tell them.
What?
I have a secret to tell them. Alright, go over there now. Alright. Every subscriber gets, I'll say biggest secret on camera. And this is a promise. Pinky promise. Alright. Come over here. I'm there.
I heard everything
Alright.
from the phone, but that's fine.
How dare you?
Remy.
Yeah!
Oh, okay.
Alright, so where should we go? How dare you? Where should we go?
Hold up. How about Emma? I don't know. What do you want to do?
Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea.
Oh, no, but this is yours.
I have an idea. Let's do the map. Look, follow me. Follow me. These are the 3 things you're gonna need. Alright,
Okay,
follow
you
me,
need-
follow me. So, okay. So, follow me.
Okay, one. Listen, you're lagging. I mean, Soup, you're lagging.
Alright, so, these are the 3 things, well, not, probably not 3, but some of the things you're gonna need to go through the map. So, this is yours, and this is mine. Alright, get your teleport gun. Get your teleport gun.
Okay.
Alright, follow me. Wait,
Oh,
no.
Nathan, I mean, Soup, I want to show you the hole in the wall.
That's why. That's what I meant. That's what I meant for Goose at the map. Follow me. Just follow me. Follow me. Alright. Take this just in case we go somewhere dark.
Well, you take it, because I don't have enough space.
Alright. I'm gonna take a revolver.
Okay.
Alright. So then we're just gonna need this.
Met you in the summer. Dun, 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 dun,
Alright.
dun,
Get three fireworks and put one in your
Fine.
hand. Just trust me.
Where are we going?
You'll see.
Can I put you in my... No.
Alright, put one in your hand. One.
I can't remember. I have the camera.
Okay.
I'll put this. I'll put my grappling. This under there.
Okay. I don't think you need a pickaxe, but okay.
Okay.
Alright, go through.
Well,
Alright, come down. Get this ready.
Hold on. Hold on. I can't
Fine.
remember. I have the camera.
Screw this.
Where are we going?
Drop it. Get it ready. And then
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I don't know where he went, but he went somewhere. I'm in the Godzilla vs. King Kong, or I'm in the city thing. I hear him. Huh. Where are we
I
going?
went to the far, far lands.
Where are we going? Okay, let's go. Cause I lost you. I saw you like teleport once, but then I don't see you again.
Alright, where should we go?
I don't know.
Me and Aaron are making a video. Alright. Bro, Aaron, cut the video, bro. Nathaniel wants to join.
Nah, you could join right now.
He said he can join right. He said you can join right now.
Doesn't matter.
Alright, cut the video.
No.
But they're just they're gonna hear all of this. So cut it.
No, I don't know how. Oh.
Alright, pause it, delete it, and make another one.
No, that was just a waste of time.
Are you serious? Bro, for real, please.
Okay. No, Nathan, actually, okay, come on.
Alright, wait. Let me talk to the YouTuber.
What?
Alright. Everyone, sorry, but can you please skip the video until another person comes? Please, pretty. If you don't,
No, guys, do not skip the video.
Shush! Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him, okay? Don't listen
No,
to him.
I'm the creator of the video.
No, I know.
I gotta do
Alright,
I gotta do
I'm gonna leak your IP address and your full name and where you
don't know
what school you go.
You don't know my IP address.
Alright, I know what school you go to.
I know, because I go to your school.
Okay, bro, just skip the video to the end, bro, please.
No, do not skip the video to the end. Nathan, stop.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna be someone join right now.
He did? He did? Where's Nathaniel? Oh, hi Nathaniel. Hi Nathaniel. Don't say my name.
Alright. So what are
Where
we
are
doing?
we going? Where are we going?
I know, where are we going?
I don't know, wherever Nate Saw wants to go.
Hell?
Wherever Nate Saw wants to go.
Oh wait! Do you know where we should go?
Where?
Where little Timmy is. Oh,
Where's little Timmy?
Really? Should we go?
Yeah, we should.
Alright, let's go where little Timmy is.
this? Wait, where's little Timmy? Yeah, I own it. I own him.
Alright, ready? We're going to little Timmy's though. Backpack.
Where's little Timmy?
We're gonna need this. We're gonna need this.
Oh, I
We're
don't
gonna
need
need this. No grapplers. No grapplers. Yes, grapplings.
They're pretty much useless at this point.
Alright. And then,
And then
I
the
need
weapon?
shotgun.
Shotgun?
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah, I'm
know.
gonna be broke, but okay. I'm gonna be broke, but okay.
Aaron, can you buy both of those shotguns?
I don't own shotguns.
I thought you did.
No, I don't own everything in the game.
Alright, everyone, get a shotgun.
I only have 22 reason points. Without any bundles.
I'll just still use the grappling hook for no
Or
reason.
anything.
You could grapple
Yeah.
to the roof though. Alright, I'm gonna buy some rockets.
Alright,
Let's go.
so we're gonna be going somewhere that little Timmy is.
Wait, what else do you need?
Guys, this video might be short. If this video randomly ends, it's because my VR died. They're kind of low. So, oh wait, look, the floaties.
We don't need those.
Oh wait, there's 4. I mean, there's like, yeah, 4. I don't know. Oh, my friend just runs. Oh yeah.
Hello.
I forgot about
Okay.
I forgot about the.
I'll meet you on the crack.
Ah! The Yeeps. Remember when I played like you guys? Again, this video might not be long because my VR is kind of low.
Don Poopers, where are you?
Oh frick, we didn't bring a flashlight.
I did.
Oh yeah.
I'll lead the way.
I'm scared. Come on. Down here.
You guys hear screaming and screaming Agni in the background? I think I'm watching. I think Peacemaker on.
Alright, little Timmy's in here.
Oh, I was trying to record a
Give me the
video.
flashlight. I can lead the way. I'm better at this.
But
Please flashlight
oh,
you.
Ruby, here. Ruby.
What the? Timmy, go in the shower. You've been on Steel of Brain Rot for 9.5 hours.
Oh my god! Pokemon card!
Pokemon card!
Pokemon card!
Is that your first time getting one?
Yes, it's rare.
Put it in your backpack.
I know it's rare.
Wait, where are you? Put it in your backpack.
I'm right here, right here.
Wait, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Okay.
Put it in your...
Oh.
At least we need some light.
Well, we're
Dead end. Hold on, wait. I'm just some light. No,
This way, this way.
This way?
It's this way.
No, it's not this way. This way? No, go that way. Ah! What? Hold up, I think I know.
Where is it? Where's the way?
Follow me. It's either one of these ways.
What?
I thought I remembered them. I thought I knew. Wait. Oh, I found it!
Oh
It
yeah.
has to be here.
Yep, I hear it.
Yup.
Yep.
Alright, careful, guys. Don't touch the
Do not
hut.
touch the red.
I know.
I've been here before. I've played this game before.
Oh, the meatball man is here. I died.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Whoa. Okay.
You didn't have to do that, my guy.
We need flashlight. Photos here.
No more waste your ammo on him. We just need to get past.
Oh, I think it's over
This
here.
way.
Yep, it's over here.
Is this way? Where?
Wait, there's 2 rubies.
saw you.
Look, 2 rubies.
Ew. We don't need that. We barely
I
get
think
some
it's over here. I think. Yep, it is.
Oh, yeah. So where we see Mr. Booger Monster.
Booger Monster.
It looks like Milo's hairballs, bro.
Alright, do not touch the water.
If you touch the water, you're gay.
Alright, do not touch the water, everyone.
Or if you're
I'll
eating
try
shoe.
not to. I'll try not to because I'm a little heavy. You can't touch the ceiling. You can't touch the ceiling either.
No! Actually, you can't
Oh
touch
my
the ceiling.
god!
No, you cannot hit the ceiling.
Why would you waste your ammo on that one? Boom! Should we kill it?
Oh, that
We
is not
are
doing
dead.
shit. Look, let me show you what happens if you touch the ceiling. Oh, nothing happened. I thought it was.
Go back! Go back to safety! No, bro, stop, bro.
Okay. We're gonna kill it. You guys have the shotguns.
Alright, fine.
Be some real
Alright.
men.
Where is it? Alright, what's it here? Woo! Get up here.
But I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good.
Nothing's after us, guys. Yet.
Yes.
Get over here. And then you always be in front because you have the flashlight.
This way.
Wait.
Is that
No,
this
it's
way?
not
That
this
way?
way.
I think it's this way. Or let's just check this way first. Actually, no. How about someone goes this way? Actually, no.
No, but not this way.
Oh,
Not
dead
this
end,
way.
dead end.
Then it's the other one.
What was the noise? No, where is it at?
Where's the light? Okay, go.
Oh, it's right there.
I see.
I don't
Where?
Wait, no, actually I don't. Wait, no. It's over here. There's another way.
How are we supposed to make this?
Oh, I killed it.
No, you didn't.
Oh, there's still one here. I shot it. Over here, over here.
I guarantee I'm down to my.
Just run this one. Run, speed run it.
There's what?
Okay, run. 3, 2, 1, run.
Oh, I worked.
Okay. Right there.
Right here.
No, just go. Wait. Run. No. No, I threw the water. It's over there.
I died.
Nathan died.
Come here.
Come here, then. Guys, monster's coming. Oh, no. I killed it.
You did?
me. Oh my God, Nathan! Nathan! I made it! Wait, where are you guys? Over here, the exit over here! I don't know where! Over here, across from you! I can't see! Where are the bunch of them? Oh. Help me, Nathan! Over here! I can't see you! Over here! Over here! Just speed run it, bro! Go! Oh!
Okay, this is you. Come on. Go.
Alright, we need to pull the plug! Woo!
Pull the plug, guys. Pull the plug.
Oh, I dropped my shotgun! That's fine.
It's fine.
Make sure
No time for the crystal.
Why am
No
I
time for the crystal.
White!
Where's the plug?
Yo, Nathan! Bro, give it back, you idiot! Hold on. Nathan, you're not him! Nathan, I swear. So what I tell you?
Wait, guys, where's the plug?
Nathan, you idiot! I'm never letting you get my shotgun again, bro. Bro! Nah.
Wait, where did I die?
I got you. Aaron, let me borrow your shotgun, bro. You don't have a shot. Can you go in there?
This again.
Huh?
Nathan, I don't trust you with my shotgun
Yeah.
anymore. Give it back.
Run, go,
Nathan,
go.
get back!
Oh my
Nathan,
God,
give me
I'm
my
stuck in-
shotgun! I'm swimming right now. Nathan, shut up, bro. That's why you got killed by the stupid eye, bro. Try.
Okay, guys, you gotta be very careful.
How are you supposed to get up? How are already got up.
Use your teleport gun.
Nathan, you better give me my shotgun back. Nathan, the eye is regrowing already.
Guys, I made it to the plug.
Where is it?
I made it to the plug. Follow my voice.
We know we have to kill the side. We need to kill the side. But they're freaking the shotgun.
Kill it.
Nathan.
Nathan. Come on. Come on. Go on the back. I'll go on the back side. Come on. No. Come on. Whoa. We're lifting it. We're lifting it. We're lifting it. I see this. No. No. We're giving up. Okay. Oh, we did it. We're doing it. We're doing it. No, someone go. We're almost there. Come on. Oh, come on. Ah! Bubbles, you are my hero. Bubbles, you are my hero. Secretly, you're my person. I can't be up there! Nathan! No! Come on!
Wait, I'm still alive! Sorry guys. Sorry guys. I'm still alive. Sorry guys, I left the camera here and I didn't know until we teleported back.
Where's the camera?
Sorry. I got it. It's not my hand. Alright.
Woo!
How are you supposed to get out of here?
Go to the exit right there. There's another exit.
Yeah. Should we just go that way?
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
No, I lost it! No! He lost it!
Down here.
I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, go.
Alright, go through. Oh, guys, we finally made it. Sorry if this video took too long.
What? Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I didn't know. I thought I was going through there, but damn.
Oh, that's smart. Oh, that was an adventure, bro. Yeah.
At least you got
Okay.
the camera.
I think
That's
I'm gonna end the
ability.
video right here. Alright, well,
Or do you guys want to do more? Or do you guys want to do more?
Let's do more tomorrow, bro.
Alright. Hold on.
Wait,
Hold
hold
on,
on,
entertain them before.
Alright, see you.
Bye-bye,
Entertain
Sigma
them.
boys.
There? Alright, hold on. Bro, did you just... Bye, guys. I know.
Hope that was a good video for you guys. There won't be editing because I haven't found out how to edit.